Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show a program to count the vowel in a list of a string using the Java 8 Stream API. So, for example, if we will take some input like in a string of list like apple, banana, grape, orange. So you can see here in that apple having the 2 vowel, and in the banana having the 3 vowel, and grape having the 2 vowel, and orange having the 3 vowel. So if we will count the total number of vowel, so it will came into 10. So here we will get that output like total vowel equals to 10. Now I am going to create a class, and where I will implement that logic how we will get the output. I opened the IntelliJ and created a class here, count vowel, and giving the question number. So it's 48. So I just mentioned here the program, and now I'm going to write the logic here. So firstly we need to write that main method to start the execution. So I just write here main, and I will write in here. So in this program we need to create the list. So I'm going to create a list. So I will use here list, and list element having that string. So I will use here a string, and I will keep like word, and in this word we need to store that value of that array of object. So here I will create array as a list. So friend, in this list we need to initialize this value. Just so I just copy and paste inside a list, so it's initialize this value. And so now I'm going to import this list interface. So here we will get that after counting that result we will get that output like numbers. So I will store that value here I just took like a long. So it, whenever execute that value, by default it will give that long. So here I will keep that here I just keep that variable name count vowel. And now I'm going to convert. So according to the question, I need to use like Java 8 Stream API. So firstly we need to convert like a list to a stream. So I will use here words dot stream. In this stream we need in this stream we will use here like a flat map to int. So friend, you can see it will flat map to int. It will extract that value from the list and return it will convert like int stream. So every character having that int stream. So because in Java we are know that we are in Java they are using that unit code character, and having that character respective with that specific unit code. So I will use here in this stream. So I have like a string, and in this string class, so we will call like that char. So it will convert like that it will get that a string, and in the string it will extract that value as a characters, and it will return like a int stream. Then here I will use like a filter, and in this filter we need to pass the predict. So in this predict we here we will use like that lambda expression. So I will just keeping the constant like so having that we know that vowel. So I will use here a e I o u as a capital, and also I will mention like that a small a e I o u. So in this string we will get like that get index, like here I will use like the get index. So here having the method name index of, and in this index of we need to pass the character, and we will get that return as a input as a primitive int. So index of we need to index of this of the character, and index method whenever it's matching that character with that constant value here, so that time it will return like index of that value, and otherwise it will return like we will check. If not matching, that time it will return like -1. So it's not. So basically index of method it will return like that true. So you can see here if this dot character and passing here that character is comparing with that equals, and you can see here that it will return like that true. And if you see like that, the index of first occurrences of the character in the character sequence represented by this object or -1 if the character doesn't occur. That means here in this string, if in this string if match with that all the providing that value, so that time it will return true, otherwise it will return -1. And here I will use like the count, and if you see that count method in having that return type long, and I stored that reference long. And now I am going to print this result, so I will use here system.out.println, and in this println I will use like that some message like total and giving that equals to, and just writing here like count mobile. So friend, I just now my program is completed, and I just run this program, and I just break this line for better understanding. So here in this stream method we are call here like the flat map to int, and then I just use the filter, and in this filter we just comparing with the condition, then I just use here count. So friend, here you can see here the string having that integer of a string of a stream, and then I just use the flat map to int. It will convert like that into stream, and I just use here filter to check that condition here, and to filter the data, and now I just use here count method, so it will count. So you can see here that total vowel 10, and if you change like the something, so that time you will get the result. So my program is completed, and thank you friend for your time, and I will post the code. If you found this content informative, please leave a comment, and thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.